Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know it is your lady Tania and I have Chris here with me. Guess what guys? I woke up in the beautiful community of Bethsalem in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, and I'm telling you that the air is very refreshing. But guys, we're going to get some mango because it is mango time. And during mango time guys, we don't drink coffee tea. We go and we look mango. Right now what Chris is saying, Chris is actually saying that we're going to pick up some mangoes. Are you going? Oh, you give goat mango? So guys, we have a flatty mango tree here. Flatty. You know if you have any other name, Chris? So this is a flatty mango tree. The mangoes are normally flat and they are sweet. They have sweet tasting. So we're under the tree right now, because it's dropping time. Mango normally drop during this time. You find a mango, Chris? So guys, as we search for the mango, I hope you enjoy this journey with us. We're currently under the flatty tree and we are searching for mangoes.
Find one.
You find one? Let me see it. Show the flatty. Where is it?
Sit there. Find my mango. The water empty.
They wrote there, no? Down in the bush. Guys, this is actually my roots. This is where I grew up.
It just dropped right there. Whoa!
I know that one. See it here. That one I fight over the flatty mango for. Give me it. Let me see it. Wow, guys, this one just dropped right off of the tree. Ooh. Yeah, eat it same time. Give me that one here. This is mine. This pretty one here. So guys, I am so proud to introduce these children to my roots, you know, taking them on a mango journey. Tastes, Chris, how the mango tastes?
Sweet.
It tastes sweet? So guys, I follow Chris to move his goat. Hi goat. Oh my god, the last time he run me down. Run! Run! Where you got time? So as Chris move his goats guys, we do hope that you enjoy this part of the video. How am I do to the other goat? The goat is getting out of control. However, Chris is going to ensure that everything goes well. Oh Jesus! The goat! The goat! The goat!
Let him go.
Even Chris is sometimes afraid of his own goat. Chris, what your goat a do? No! It's a baby goat. Chris, tie your goat. Because it's a baby.
Mommy, get out.
You see goat do them something here?
Do it. It's your one. It's your guy. Make him get it.
What am I do to the goat? Woo! Watch Chris as he gets his goat under control. Is a male goat this or female? Two female?
Yes.
Is a male goat? Wait there. I want male goat this a two male?
Yes.
So what am I do to the male goat?
Kill him off.
You might kill him off, Chris?
Come on, fire rocket boy. Come on, come on.
Go and get time. Oh, this is abuse. Watch as Chris tries his best to get the big ram goat away from the baby. Back. 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 Go run the goat now, boy.
Oh, me slide down.
Why? Back. This goat is not giving up. My trouble the goat. So the goat are cry for help. Move a man in buck you done. Move a man in buck you. Chris struggles to take his goat away from the baby goat. Watch. Chris, pull the goat now, man. I have to intervene at this time to help him. Come. Come, baby. Come. What a big old goat.
A big one.
Oh, what kind of mango that?
What's the kind of mango?
After all we go through, you never say we up here and struggle with the goat them. Yeah, alright, goat. Eh? Yes, I'm gonna trouble you. No, guys, we're on our way to get some mangoes. We're going to the mango tree. Come with me. No coffee tea this time. Straight mango. It has some ripe one on it. We no drink coffee tea. Mango time. Care nice, it might be mango time. What is wrong with you? You want a mango? You want me to pick one for you? Alright, let me pick a mango. Ho. Let me stone the mango tree. Alright, hold this, let me pick a mango for him. You need a ripe one? Where the ripe one there? It's up in the tree. Let me pick some. Guys, we have to look out for the little ones, you know. I am going to get this mango for him.
Come on, come. Where's me find one quart here?
I can't even find nothing to fling.
Where's me find one this quart here?
So Chris and his goat over there.
This quart here.
I want ripe on this, you know? Right? Let me still fling and pick two more. Oh, how you pick it? Guys, I'm going to use these stones to pick some mangoes. Move on, I'm looking on her head.
Move, Chris.
How am I to the ripe on them?
You want this one?
Move from under the tree, boy.
Come, KJ.
I do hope you all remember back in the days when you used to fling and pick mangoes. Who wanted the right mango? You wanted the right mango? See, I pick one for you. Wow. Nice, don't it?
Would like one drop? One piece. I mean, pick that one there.
Chris, sit that. Move under the tree.
Yeah, shake over that and lick off you need.
Guys, I am teaching these children how to pick mangoes, to search for mangoes during mango time.
The one there, right? Yeah, there. What one I know it's in a bike? Move on, I choose.
Wait, let me move now. Nobody lick me down. Wait, Chris.
I'm gonna lick a mango.
You pick none?
I'm gonna lick a mango.
Where you keep the mango then?
Eat that
Where you keep them?
Sit right down there.
Oh. I think one more is supposed to under a tree. This is a fun exercise, guys. You can always go back to your roots and search for mangoes. Pick mangoes and enjoy getting mangoes. Enjoy eating mangoes with everyone. Alright, may I pick two more?
I'm going to like shit.
More boy.
Innocent toy. Mommy, it's up.
So he got his mango, guys. So he's not crying anymore. I'm tired. Okay. We picked the mango. Chris is excited about picking mangoes. The mango. It is the first time they're stoning a mango tree to pick mangoes, so they're enjoying it. So you know, just see me pick the ripe one a while ago. How you feel now, like how you get the mango? Listen, how you feel? You feeling better? Yes. All right, come over, go find the other mango tree. This is a different type of mango. So far we have flatty and a special type of common mango. A special type. How it tastes, Chris? Tastes like common mango?
Yes, bigger.
How it tastes like common mango? You know how common mango tastes? These children, they enjoy eating the mangoes. They're going to sit down under the mango tree. Ah! Oh, tired, Chris.
You're tired.
You're tired? We'll look for the flatty mango now.
Flatty mango? I keyed it.
I key. What you do with key?
I got to go with the key.
Go do what?
I sit down.
You can't drive? Where you drive go before? Wipe off a mango off of your mouth.
I'm Tania, I got Tantan. I'm Maroon town.
You drive go Tantan and Maroon town?
Yeah?
No, sir. Go, what? Leave the key alone. You can't drive. You find that one?
Yeah?
But you can't pick it. No, guys. When you're bigger, you'll be able to. He is learning and trying to pick mangoes on his own. He don't have to cry anymore. How are you do? Fling after the mango? When you have to come out here, come practice. You have to come practice, here? A stone. So guys, he's practicing picking the mangoes. Look at this.
Hey.
Wow.
Me.
Remember to tune in for part 2. Thanks for watching Chat Jamaican. You'll be able to pick mango. Bye. All right? Not now.